Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to automatically highlight the maximum value within Google Sheets. Begin by highlighting the specific column containing the data you want to analyze. Next, navigate to the Format menu and choose the conditional formatting option. Under the Format cells, drop-down menu, scroll down and select Custom Formula Is. In the input box for the formula, type an equal sign followed by your starting cell, which for this example is A1. Follow this with another equal sign, then type max and open a set of parentheses. Inside these brackets, enter your full range from the first to the last cell, such as A1 through A10. To lock the range, place a $sign before the column letter and another before the row number for both cell references. You will notice the largest number is now highlighted. Simply click Done to apply the changes. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.